That is John Featherston, last Saturday night's feature winner as the Car Corner Pace Car ducks on down. We are going racing this time by. As they're picking them up, green flag, and we're racing.
And it's going to be the birthday boy, Kevin Memley, out front. He's got a little squirrely, but held on to it. Number 21, and Cody Houseward in second. Schinderling in that 68 car, working that outside really tight, along with that number 99 T of Trevor Robinson. John Featherston rounding off your top five so far, but Schinderling now in that second spot in the battle to catch the birthday boy.
Birthday boy having all kinds of trouble last Saturday night as he had a lot of control issues, looking much better tonight. So whatever they did between last week and this week definitely helped him as he's leading the race.
Emily still out front in that 3. Schinderling in that 68. Now in the inside move. Still working away. He's in second place. Cody Houseward in that 21 car is third. John Featherston starts to run better and better every week on the track. He's in the 4th spot here this heat.
Eric, it's got to be tough running double duty for that 68 car, running Bandits, which is a slower division, and then running the Sportsman, which is the much faster division. I would think you'd get confused sometimes, but Rich Schinderling's having no trouble in this race as he is really putting the pressure on Kevin Memley to keep going here.
Can the birthday boy hang on as we're 5 laps in? Schinderling right on his tail in that 68. He's going to try and work him on the back stretch. Cody Houseward in that 21 and John Featherston in the 78 with a nice little battle. As Trevor Robinson in that 99 rolling off your top 5. Battle still is out front. Couple more to go. Will it be Memley the birthday boy? Will it be Rich Schinderling in the 68?
Maybe Rich Schinderling will help him because it's his birthday. We'll find out here this time around.
Little birthday present, right?
Yeah. We'll have to ask Rich that after the races tonight and see if he let Kevin hit us. I think Kevin's going to get the race here. Maybe not. Here comes Schinderling on the inside. Birthday boy gets his win. Wow. You know he's a happy camper, especially after last week saying those handling issues. He was very lucky that nothing happened to the car last week, but now he's got it figured out and getting his first win here of the night.
Nice little birthday treat.
Man, having a win and then cake and ice cream. What? You can't do better than that.
KO Fleet Maintenance, Advanced Auto Parts, K&M Mobile Truck Repair, Hodges Westside Trucking Center, prime sponsors for this 1988 Chevy Monte Carlo.
As he's slowly strapping out, looks like he's going to get out and get a picture this time, I think. I hope so. All right. So Kevin Memley, here he is. It's the birthday boy, Kevin Memley.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kevin.
Happy birthday to you. Yeah,